Well, go on Virtuous Nation, you don't know where they are again, you know what I mean? Welcome back, you know what I mean? We have a look at surprise for you and Siege Boss himself, you know what I mean? Well, and the sun shine too. Sun shine kinda hard, you see me? But yeah man, you don't know, welcome back to the channel again, you know what I mean? Hope everybody good and thing and everybody have a good Christmas and all kind of things. You know it's a long time you don't see me, you don't know where they are, hold it down, where they are stand firm and I get it and you see it, you don't know what things say. But yeah, as me I say, you don't know, we have a look at surprise for Uno and for Siege Boss himself, you don't know. You know, him urge stronger forward, so you don't know we have to do something nice for him, you don't know, you see me? So yeah man, we are gonna do a look at like a photo shoot kind of thing, you know what I mean, cake smash kind of thing, you know what I mean, so you don't know, say that one I go mad, that one I go stick, so I wanna stay tuned, you know what I mean, this one really a move away still, you know, but anyway, you don't know that one I go sick, that one I go mad, so you know what I mean, I wanna check it out and hope to enjoy it, you see me? No big up on a nice clean self in the meantime. As I say, hope everybody have a good Christmas. You don't know when the new year forward, don't know much stuff on the thing, and don't know what have to do, what have to do. You know what I mean? But yeah man, give thanks and hope you enjoy. That's right, CJ. That's my boy. That's my boy. CJ.
Yeah, he claps it down. Again? One more time?
Yeah. Go on, CJ.
Clap your hands.
Go on, CJ.
Clap your hands. Good boy. Please don't clap your hands.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands, CJ.
Yay!
He's too happy. He's too happy. Yeah.
Move finger.
That's my boy, CJ. That's my boy.
Come beside his other.
Yeah. Clap your hands.
Point.
Clap your tiny hands.
Clap your tiny hands.
Go on. Go on, Siege.
Come, clap your hands.
Yeah.
Three.
You see Marshall? Siege, wait, man. Hey, I mean. Come, CJ. Come here. Huh? Your Paw Patrol, man. Cause he like it. Siege, wait. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Ooh.
Yum.
Waste no time.
Yum.
Nice.
Eat the cake, CJ. Eat it. You want more? You want more? You want more?
No, yummy.
Siege.
Come. No cake for daddy.
Yeah, yum.
Yeah.
Yum. You want more?
Yeah, cake for.
You want more? Eat some more. Eat more. Eat more.
He's posing for auntie. You the man. You the man, see. See, get the cake, Sal.
Eat the cake, Siege. Go on, CJ. Eat the cake. Eat the cake. Eat the cake.
Too much color in the cake.
Yes, CJ. Well done. Good man. Good man.
Yeah, not the whole video.
Yeah.
Let's behave.
Yum. Yeah. Yes, CJ. Yeah. Yes, CJ. Careful. All right, come, CJ. Yum.
Yay!
Yum.
CJ.
CJ. Brrrr. Yes. Well done, CJ. Yeah. Well done, boy. Well done, boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. Well done, CJ.
Yes.
One more. Yum. Yum.
Clap your hands.
Yum.
CJ. Please clap your hands.
That's my boy.
Call him from there. Show him the music from there.
Yum. Yum. I'll put on that Beyonce song. Make him try that. There you go, Siege. Yum. Yum.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah. I mean, Siege boss. Eat some cake. Eat some cake.
Eat cake in there, Siege. No.
Yeah. Yes, CJ.
Even put his
Siege. Wait.
So funny. Come, let's go here. One more time. Oh, look. You want my hands this thing? Yeah. Baby shark. Baby shark.
Yum. Brrr. Siege, your cake.
Put him there one more time.
Yeah. I think they did a family Christmas shoot the other day.
Oh.
Lisa and Tracy. I don't know if you
Oh,
know.
we did a shoot for his birthday.
Yeah. His birthday.
CJ.
Similar colors. She wants.
Yeah. I think you did a Toy Story theme for her. So,
Yum.
Alright.
CJ. Teeth piece more of this thing, no, you see it. Go up. Siege.
Come see some nice, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Here, come. Let me eat something.
Yeah. You don't know Virtuous Nation, we just finished, you know what I mean? There was a little cake smash thing for Siege Boss, I don't know. It was good, it was really fun. Cake nice, you know what I mean? I'm not lie, see they right over there, so, you know what I mean? It was really nice, I'm not lie, God know. But yeah man, but thank you for watching and all kind of things. You don't know the things yet already. That was really fun. If you don't ever have the chance to do that, you don't know, so you don't have to do that for no family and thing, you see it? When I back this, I must sleep and thing, I don't know, so I'm off in the boat, I do our thing, you see it? Yeah man, no big up on a nice clean self, you know what I mean, manners and respect, and we're out, you see me?